Get ready to be amazed by this incredible beast. Watch as we create this magnificent creature from just these two simple shapes. Here we go. We're starting our main character as simple as possible. Think of it as the bull's minimalist phase before it goes full superstar. The first shape was for the body, and now we're sculpting the head. But I'm sure you already guessed that. I mean, we're not making a giraffe, right? Although, who knows? Maybe in the future. Tell me in the comments if you're up for that wild idea. Got the eyes position set? Sweet. Now it's time to craft that snaztastic snout. Our bull's shaping up nicely. Now, let's give him a big hilarious smile with some square teeth. Then we'll add the first horn, some funky hair, and the other horn. Let's make this bull look fabulous and pretty cool. Tell me, any genius ideas for what we should name our new buddy? Get creative. Fire away! I've got to hand it to you. You've got style. That haircut looks totally awesome. Now that we've got this awesome head done, let's draw a body that's equally awesome. We need a body with legs that scream power. These 4 legs will give our character ultimate style and stability, not to mention coolness. Now it's time to sprinkle in those tiny details. They're what really bring our character to life and make the story unique. Like this tail. You can only imagine the stories it would tell. And why is this little branch in those teeth? Your guess is as good as mine. Check out this masterpiece. Pretty awesome. What do you think? It is time for another wild ride with our trusty marker. Marker lines will bring our main character to the next level. They will make our drawing look more clean, professional, and more cartoony. And of course, if you want to mix things up and ditch the marker for a bit and try something new, go for it. It's all about learning, exploring new ideas, and most importantly, have loads of fun. That's most important. Listen, if you make mistakes, don't worry about it. It's like adding sprinkles to your creativity cake. They make your work uniquely delicious and are the best recipe for learning. This drawing is shaping up nicely. With every line, we're one step closer to the finish. What a thrilling ride, huh? We can thank our awesome character for that, who, by the way, doesn't have a name. Maybe you can give him one. Or maybe you have come up with some cool background story that follows our little friend. Look at that smile. You've got to admit, it's dripping with charm like a smooth-talking smooth talker. Alright, time to splash some color on this bad boy. Pick your favorite coloring technique, and let's make this artwork pop. Here's my example, if you want to see how I roll. And don't forget, If you're loving these videos, there's a whole bunch more waiting for you for free at scribblepeeps.com. Bye.